Welcome to Easy Writing, a happy place to learn poems, short essays, and simple writing. Today, we will explore a fun and joyful rainy day scene. We will look at the scene and make short sentences. So let's start. This is the scene. Let's make sentences now. It is a rainy day and the children are playing outside. The boy is jumping in a puddle with a big smile on his face. He is wearing a yellow raincoat and boots to stay dry. The girl is holding a colorful umbrella and walking happily. She is wearing a pink coat and enjoying the cool raindrops. The sky is cloudy and raindrops are falling gently. The children are having lots of fun together in the rain. Rainy days can be joyful and full of little adventures. Rain can be magical when shared with friends and laughter. Now tell us, what do you like to do on a rainy day, and try to make short lines of your own. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends who love to learn and write. Thanks for watching Easy Writing. See you next time.